And so far, my experience has been great. I noticed that my sleeping patterns have been better. My mood has been better. My lower back pain has reduced tremendously, and I, it's just been great. I've been doing more of my activities that I love, especially my running, my jogging activities. I'm jogging more with no back pain. Before I came here, I was dealing with back spasms where I would get sharp pain just getting out of bed. I don't go through that anymore. And I mean, I'm just being honest, this has been the best investment in my health so far. It's worth every penny. I was kind of like skeptical at first coming here, and now I'm not skeptical anymore. So, I mean, at my age and my occupation, I just, my health started failing, as far as, dealing with back pain. And, I'm a truck driver and I sit a lot. But since I've been here, it's just, I haven't been going through that. I just feel like, and some people even tell me that, I look a little younger. I'm 50. I'll be 51 this year. And some people say I look a little younger. So it's just been great. I mean, I really want to thank the staff here. Everybody's been great. I can tell that you guys really want us to start, feeling better. You want to see us progress. So it's been genuine. So I really want to
Looking forward to the future.
thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.